We are going to start to make the flowers here. We start by making 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We go in the first chain and we do a slip stitch. Now 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and we're going to make 2 double trebles or double crochet. You turn the thread 2 times on the hook. That is 1 and that is 2. Another 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. You go here in the middle to make a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. You pull them like this. Another 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and you make another 2 double trebles, 1 and 2. Another 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. You go here and you make a single crochet, and those are 2. No, you have to have 5. Those are 2. You pull them like this. Another 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. 2 double trebles, 1 and 2. Another 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and again you make a single crochet, and you continue like that until you have 5 here, 5 of these, 5 petals. You pull these aside like this so you have more space. Always pull them, and you should have 5 of these. As you can see, the 5 petals are ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You cut the thread, you cut it a bit longer so you can use it to attach it where you want. You use the same thread. You cut it long like that so you have the thread so you can attach them to where you want to attach them. Then you add something here. You can add a button or a pearl like this. You add something here in the middle, or you can leave them like this. I added this to them, and you attach them to the bag. You attach them, you use that same thread that you leave, as I told you, the same thread here that you leave, you attach them with them. You attach them where you want to attach them. I attach them here. Hope that you understand what I was doing and that you try it. Bye for now.